Guys, welcome back to another FS Studio tutorial. Today I'm gonna be taking you along on how to make good melody. Okay, today I'm gonna be showing you how to spice up your melody and make it sound good. So without wasting time, let's go into the system. Let me show you how to make your melody sound good. So guys, we'll take a root note by this. We do this. Okay. So now guys, we have a root note. Since we have the root notes, the next thing we are going to do now is to build a chord around this bass note. So here we go. So don't forget our formula. Our formula is 3 4 minor or 4 3 major. So let me show you what I mean. From here, you count 1 2 3 1 2 3 4, and we have G minor. Okay, so let's hear it. So we do the second one. Let's do C major and see how it will sound. Let's do C major and see how it's gonna sound. So we have C, the first note. We count 1 2 3 4, and we count again 1 2 3. So now we have C major. Let's play it together and see how it's gonna sound. This is the area that is getting more interesting, so pay attention. The next thing, we are going to spice up the chord and change everything to melody. So that is what we are going to be doing now. So the first thing you're going to do is to click Control Alt D, and you have this. So we change the strum. So we drag it. So from here, we are going to spice it, make it sound good. So let's do it in one direction. So we select and we Alt S again to strum. So now we shift it, and this is what we get. So we are going to be doing it in all of them to get the final stuff. Now I'll play you the final stuff so that you hear how everything sound generally after strumming everything. Share this video with friends if you get value, and follow us for more values. Thank you.